Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money on Moonshot. So first of all, let's open the app, and to deposit money to our balance, we need to click total balance, and then we need to go to the deposit. Then we need to choose the currency. So there are two options in this case. We can deposit dollars or we can deposit Solana, guys. So it's up to you. For example, you're depositing cash. Then you need to choose the payment method. There are different payment methods. In my case, there is Robinhood, Coinbase, Winmo, credit debit card, PayPal, and crypto, guys. For example, you want to use PayPal, just select PayPal, enter the amount, and then you need to swipe this thing, guys, and you will be redirected to this page where you need to enter the verification code, which is on your Gmail, and then you need to agree the terms and click continue. And before you will deposit, you need to enter your basic details, and after you will fill all of the necessary details, then you need to enter your PayPal credentials, guys, and you can make the transaction through PayPal, guys. So this is the method how you can deposit cash. There is also another way you can deposit Solana. So if you choose, for example, Solana, and here you can choose crypto, and then you will see this USDC Solana address. You need to copy this address, and you can go to any crypto exchange, guys, and you can transfer your USDC through Solana network to your Moonshot account. So that's how you can deposit money on Moonshot. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.